Next, how will you construct an angle 90 degree and 45 degree? Using the protractor, you can construct 90 and you can draw 90 and 45 degree. But now we are using only compass and ruler. How can you construct a 90 degree and 45 degree using compass and ruler? First, same procedure. Draw a ray OB of any length from O, HO, how will you construct 90 degree? The convenient radius, O is a center, draw an arc. Okay, here this arc meet OB at M, same radius. This arc cutting previous arc. Okay, next is same radius. One more time, so you draw it. That is what N. This point N. Then take NL. Arc NL. More than half of its arc NL. Okay. Then N as a center, draw an arc. Same radius. With L as a center, draw an arc. Okay. Then join this point X, OX, join OX. Extend this line. Okay, A. OX, produce it to A. And this angle is what? 90 degree. Okay. This is 90 degree. Next, how will you construct 45 degree? Same procedure, 90 degree procedure. How already we constructed 90 degree? The same procedure. One more time. Repeat. O, B, then with O as a center, convenient radius, you draw an arc. With O as a center, convenient radius, you draw an arc. Okay. This arc meet OB at M. Same radius with M as a center, draw an arc. This arc cutting the previous arc. This as what? L. Okay. With L as a center, the same radius, draw an arc. Another point on the same previous arc, this point represent what? N. Okay. More than half of its NL. Take more than half of its NL. With N as a center, draw an arc. With L as a center, draw an arc. Same radius. And then join it. This point of intersection of two arcs and O. Join it. You extend the line or produce it to a point A. This angle is what? 90 degree. Okay, this angle is 90 degree. Then bisect the angle 90 degree, you will get 45 degree. How can you bisect? How will you find out the bisector of angle 90 degree? Here, this point and this point also should take. Here, this arc. Okay, more than half of its arc. Take more than half of its arc. This is more than half. More than half. This is X. Point X. X as a center. First you take the more than half of its arc length XM. With X as a center, draw an arc of radius. With M as a center, the same radius, draw an arc. Join this point Y. Join OY. Extend this this line represents C, that ray represents OC. Okay, this COB, this angle represent what? 45 degree. This full angle represent what? 90 degree. This small angle, this portion, that means angle bisector of 90 degree is 45 degree. Okay.